Hey guys, what's up? First off, I just wanted to show you I got a brand new Zippo from where I work. I started my new job at Love's gas station, and I just did something that was pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys if it'll let me. So I have an empty bottle of lighter fluid and the lighter. Ooh, set that on fire. Yep, so I thought that was pretty cool. I just wanted to show you guys that. And my brand new Zippo. Let's see if we can get some light. Oops. My camera is not cooperating with me today. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's green. Toxic sun, yep. And as you can see, yes, it's 5:08, and I'm about to go somewhere with my friend. So, yeah, I'll see you later. Thanks, bye.